Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video Christmas watch, decor ideas, friends. So let's start today's video. Minimalist white wall, keep it simple yet elegant. Use white fox leaves or cotton bells for a snow effects. Add a silver bow and tiny snowflakes, perfect for winter wonderland theme. Flower Christmas wreath brings flower into your holiday decor. Use pink satin, and green leaves. Add golden berries for a royal finish. This wreath will brighten any space instantly. Die family worth. Get the family involved this Christmas. Let's everyone add one decoration, a ribbon, a bell, a pebble. You will have a unique memory filled with to precious every year. Candy cash worth make your decor fun and sweet. Glue red and white candy cash in a circle. Add a red ribbon and mini bells. This worth is cute, festive, and kid approved. Friends, bright shade door with the flower of Christmas. Use red flowers, green leaves, and pink cones. Add a golden bow in the center. This is the perfect traditional holiday wreath. Go for a winter wonderland look mixed with flowers, white flowers, gold berries, and festive leaves. Add fairy lights for glowing effects, elegant and dreamy for Christmas night. Love colors mix red roses, white daisy, and silver leaves, and many ornaments to match your tree decor. Your wreath will look cheerful and unique. Creative a farmhouse style wreath. Use dry wildflowers, rivers, and walk with your drop and add a small bells. Perfect or cozy nature Christmas vibe. Try making mini wreaths. Use small artificial flowers and hang them on cabin door.